There we go, another nice and snug. Nice and snug. Alright, so now while we let that cool down, we'll come back to our sizing here. So again, here's how I size these kind of rings, alright? I wonder if I can like move this camera. Hold on. Let's see if I can get a good shot of, whoa. Okay, so I put it on here, right? Been making jewelry for 200 some years. We're going up to what size? An 8, right? Right, an 8. Yep. Okay, so here's the mandrel, right? That's the 8. Now I want to go a little less than an 8, so we'll probably go 7.5. So right there. And now what I do is I bend this around my mandrel, like so. Now, you can see how I've got a big like gap right here. So I'm just going to kind of tap that. I'm going to tap that down so it's nice and round. And then I'm going to take this. We're just going to grab it off like so. All right? There's one that's a 7 and one that's an 8. Yeah, the other one's a 7. I don't know if you guys are talking to me or not. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to cut it like so. Put that back in there. And then we got to flatten both sides. I like to use my sandpaper disc. Let's go like this. And then I'm going to use my ring rounders. And what I'm doing is I'm just bringing this in. So that there's some tension. You want there to be tension on this. Sorry, it doesn't autofocus. But you want there to be enough tension so that you got to actually try to pull it apart a little bit. But ultimately, you want it to be pushing in on each other. But not too much. If you do too much tension, then you'll end up with a ring that's way smaller than you actually wanted. And then you also want to make sure that the inside of the rings are flush when you do this. Compression and tension? What? Am I using the wrong word? Am I supposed to say you need a lot of compression? Is that what I'm supposed to be saying? Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and fuse this. Now again, I'm going to put my tweezers, because these are aquamarines. So I'm going to put my tweezers on